Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone. Today we will make a video about how to make a ice grass jelly cappuccino.
We will introduce ourselves. Me Graciela Putri, absent 10.
Me Kadipika Dusta Putri, absent 18.
Me Riala Fahurani, absent 4.
Me Komasisha Kana Putri, 21.
2 carton of full cream milk. 4 sachet of top cappuccino coffee.
2 sachet putri gel cincau.
2 sachet of sweetened candle milk.
Sugar.
1 glass water
And ice cube.
For the tools we need spoon and glass, water and pen. Make grass jelly. Step 2. Put the coffee grounds into glass. Step 3. Put hot water into glass and stir well.
Then put the full cream milk into a glass and add filtered condensed milk. Step 5. Shredded grass jelly.
Iya.
Thank you for watching. Om Santi Santi Santi.